Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a discount through your Shopify store. So on the left hand side here, you're going to see discounts. So click on discounts, and on the top right corner, you're going to see create discount. So you've got two options here. You've got the discount code, which is going to be a code that the customers have to put in at checkout to receive the discount. And then there's automatic discount, which automatically will get applied to the cart once they proceed to the checkout. So for this purpose, we're going to run through the discount code first, and I'm going to explain to you here. The discount code obviously is the code that the person has to use at checkout to achieve or receive the discount. You can auto-generate the code and it'll spit out a random bunch of numbers and letters for you, or you can just simply type any discount like spring, if I could spell, spring sale 2021. And then you've got the options of the types of discounts. So you obviously can do a percentage. So say if it's like a 20% off, a fixed amount, like a $10 discount, free shipping, which is obviously free shipping. Or if you buy X, you get Y. So you might say if you buy 2 of these items, you get 1 of these free, or you get 1 of these at a certain discounted rate. I'm just going to run through percentage for the sake of this. We've got a 20% discount on this one. You can allow it to be for a one-time purchase, a subscription item, or both. And it can apply to obviously specific products or specific collections, or all products. The minimum requirements you can set at minimum purchase amount. For example, to achieve a 20% discount, you may need to spend $50 or a minimum number of items. So you can say, if you buy 3 items, you get this discount. Custom eligibility is a really handy one, especially if you're dealing with, say, groups of people that might be at an event. Or say you're trying to deal with a specific customer that you want to give an individual discount code to. It might be a friend, or it might be someone that had a bad experience that you wanted to try and soften the blow a little bit and give them a discount code. It allows you to select a specific group of customers if you've grouped them, or you can select a specific customer by name or email address. You can actually limit the use too, so the number of times a discount can be used in total. So for example, you might want to cap it at the first 5 people who enter the code get X amount discount. Or what you can do is you can actually have 1 use per customer. So you can have a sale for 20% off running for the whole week, but you can only use the code once. You can also set the active dates, so the start and the end times. This is really handy, obviously, if you want a sale to start and finish at, say, midnight and you want to go to sleep. You don't have to worry about the code continually running until you turn it off the next day. And that is pretty much it for discounts. So we're going to head back 1 step and jump into automatic discounts. So we're going to go back to the top right here and hit create discount. We're going to go into automatic discounts. So obviously, as I explained earlier, automatic discounts are automatically applied to the cart once the customer gets to that point. So they may not see the discount within the store, but once they add it to their cart, they'll see that, it's a New Year promotion, and they're going to get 10% off all products, specific products, or specific collections, because they spent $10, or if they purchased a minimum number of items. And it's pretty much the same as the previous step, where you can select all the variables that you think you could require, and that is pretty much it. And then all you need to do after both processes is just hit save, and then that's going to be active as of the dates that you've implemented.